So, tangent 30 degrees by triple angle formula. So, since ang pag sinubstitute mo to, yung 10 degrees is not a perfect square. So, pwede mong gamitin yung quotient identity o yung sine over cosine. Kagaya nung ginawa dito, di ba? Ginamit mo yung sine over cosine, complex fraction, parehong denominator, so cancel out. So dapat walang radical sign sa denominator. So rationalize the denominator by its conjugate, o yung square root of 3 over 3. Yung square root, i-divide mo siya ng square root of 3 over square root of 3. So, anong mangyayari? Square root of 3 divided by square root of 9, which is 3. So, ang final answer is square root of 3 over 3. So, yun yung 30 degrees. Kasi kung gagamitin mo yung root theorem, mahirap. So, kung alam mo na lang yung quotient, para mas madali, di ba? So, yun yung tangent 30 degrees by triple angle formula. So, yun lang po.